In this lecture, first we'll study about steroids. Steroids are the compound containing a cyclic steroid nucleus, namely cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrin, that is CPPP. It consists of phenanthrin nucleus, that is ring A, B and C, to which a cyclopentan ring, that is ring D, is attached. The methyl side chain, that is at 19 and 18 carbon atom, is attached to carbon 10 and 13 by a single bond. At carbon 17, steroid usually contain one side chain. There are several steroids in biological system. These includes cholesterol, bile acid, vitamin D, sex hormones, adrenocortical hormones, cytosterol, cardiac glycosides and alkaloids. If steroid containing more than one hydroxyl group, it is commonly known as sterol, means solid alcohol. So first we shall study about cholesterol. Cholesterol exclusively found in animals and is most abundant animal sterol. It is widely distributed in all cells and is a major component of cell membrane and lipoprotein. Cholesterol was first isolated from bile. Next we shall study about structure of cholesterol. Its molecular formula is C27H46O. It has one hydroxyl group at C3 carbon atom and a double bond between C5 and C6 carbon atom. An 8 carbon aliphatic side chain is attached to C17 carbon atom. It contains total of 5 methyl group. The occurrence of cholesterol is much higher in the membranes of subcellular organelles. Cholesterol is found in association with fatty acid to form cholesterol ester. Cholesterol is an yellowish crystalline solid. The crystal under microscope shows a notched appearance. Cholesterol is insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents such as chloroform, benzene, ether, etc. Several reactions are given by cholesterol, are useful for its qualitative identification and quantitative estimation. These includes Salkowski test, Lieberman-Burchard reaction and Zek's test. Cholesterol is essential to life as it performs the number of important functions, like it is a structural component of cell membrane. Cholesterol is a precursor for the synthesis of all other steroids in the body. These includes steroid hormones, vitamin D and bile acids. It is an essential ingredient in the structure of lipoprotein, in which form of lipid in the body are transported. Fatty acids are transported to the liver as cholesterol ester for oxidation. Next we shall study about action of phospholipases. Phospholipases are the group of enzymes that hydrolyze phospholipids. There are 4 distinct phospholipases, A1, A2, C and D. Each one of them specifically act on a particular bond. Phospholipase A1 specifically cleaves the fatty acid at C1 position of phospholipids, resulting in lysophospholipid. Phospholipase A2 hydrolyzes the fatty acids at C2 position of phospholipids. Snake venom and bee venom are rich source of phospholipase A2. Phospholipase C specifically cleaves the bond between phosphate and glycerol of phospholipids. This enzyme is present in lysosomes, hepatocytes. Phospholipase D hydrolyzes and removes the nitrogenous base from phospholipids.